Alright guys, welcome to Weird Campfire Cooking, the show where we cook random weird stuff on a campfire. We got some Olivieri mushroom lovers ravioli. We're also going to grill some Chimo perogies. And we're also going to make the famous tree water soup. Alright, so let's get some of the weird stuff on. Let's start with some of these
this is going to be
pierogies.
exciting. Yeah, they'll have to lay that way across the bars.
Alright, I actually have really high hopes for these Olivieris. I think these are actually going to be the surprise hit.
Hey buddy. Dude, it actually looks
Dude, it looks so good! It looks so delicious, man. Oh my goodness.
Here we go.
Dude, these are pretty good looking, alright. Look at this. Oh, dude, look at that one.
Dude, I think these are going to be freaking legit.
I think these are going to be amazing,
I'm
dude.
down to rip this one open. Here, let's cook
Yeah, hold on, we're going to eat it in a minute.
But they're ready, though.
All
Everything's ready. Let's try this. Cheers. I'm going to slice mine and examine it.
Oh man, it's so good. It's so good, dude.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a chip.
Yeah.
Okay, so ravioli on the fire, yes.
I'm giving that literal 10 out of 10.
All right, so we're going for pierogi now.
Yeah, I picked one that's less dark.
I like the dark ones.
They're really hot, though.
Oh, they are hot. Wow. Pretty good. Tastes like a pierogi. It's nice and crispy.
It doesn't have the same effect that the shell of this has. This actually tastes like a stone-baked pita or something.
Yeah. It didn't go to the next level.
Yeah.
These went to the next
did.
level. That was unbelievable. I can't
This
believe.
was almost like an 11 out of 10.
I can't believe how
because
good
of the
it was.
fire. Like, I never would have thought this would be an amazing fire food.
I thought it was going to
so
suck.
good.
I thought it was going to dry out and be terrible. I'm going to begin the soup. First step of that is I got the sausage on. And I'm going to cook some bacon in this pan. This isn't just any water. This is water from a tree. This is tree water soup. It just looks like normal water. It's got a bug in it, but okay, this has got to be hot enough for the bacon. Oh yeah. So we're boiling this water here. What's gonna go in there is a pack of Mr. Noodles. Friggin' smoky. We're gonna like break up the bacon and the sausage and put it in. And I'm gonna go inside and get some microgreens. Ooh, we got some flame. All right, so we cut up all the bacon. The sausage, we're just getting it a little bit hot again.
Boiling for sure.
The water is boiling. The water has commenced boil. We are go. So, gotta reach right in there. Sauce packet, aka bouillon. Got a quick stir. All right, we're gonna put this back on just to re-boil. All right, here it is, man. Moment of truth. The old survival spork. Look at that grease.
This is it.
That's gonna go all in there. All right, ready? Here it is.
Okay, I'm gonna chomp this. Wow.
All right, the last ingredients. We got some microgreens, and I got some friggin' Elmira tomatoes. Watch this.
Wow. Extreme disregard.
Some radish. Daikon radish, look at that. Wow. Boiling again. That's what we want. We want a quick right, there it is. Look at that, man. It goes deep too, like it just goes all the way down with noodles. And that's tree water, don't forget.
Yeah, that water is not from the tap.
I'm gonna eat it, man. There you go. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of sausage, a little bit of bacon. Where's the bacon?
It's a moment of truth.
All right, I've had this before, but not to this extent. So let's see how it is.
Oh yeah, it's super dessert too.
It's so good. It is. Try the broth.
Alrighty.
They're so good, man. Do you want to try this?
That is freaking good.
Not bad, eh?
Wow.
Campfire soup, man.
That's pretty much all she wrote right there.
All right, final verdicts. We got the grilled
Lots
ravioli.
of smoke. That thing, like, it didn't even make fire. It didn't even catch on fire.
All right, so what did we cook today? We cooked some grilled ravioli. That was fantastic. We had
10
some
out of 10
friggin'
on the
unbelievable
ravioli. 10 out of 10.
Fire roasted ravioli, 10 out of 10. We had some fire roasted perogies, which were actually really good.
I'll give them 6.5.
Yeah, around there. Yeah. The tree water soup was a 15 out of 10.
Tree water soup is always just a fantastic option.
Even better this time, man. I don't know. I think it was just the bacon grease and
yeah.
the tomatoes. So fantastic. Thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of Weird Campfire Cooking. We're going to be back for many more of these with some more weird stuff. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we are going to put this fire out for you. Snuff it!